From the greenery to the cuisine to the music, India is a country that is born out of diversity. There is no doubt in the fact that India has a lot of breathtaking places to explore. Right from trekking to the mountains, to camping in the jungles, to partying on the beaches, India has everything in store for the traveler in you. So without further ado, here is our region-wise list of the best waterfalls in India which are worth the visit. Starting from Northeast region. Elephanta Falls, Shillong. Meghalaya has a seemingly never-ending accumulation of natural beauty and has many hidden treasures in its forest cover. One such amazing treasure is the Elephant Falls of Shillong. The falls are situated about 12 km away from the city. Among the number of waterfalls of Shillong, this waterfall carves out a special place for itself due to an interesting story behind it and its amazing views. The waterfall is one of the most frequently visited tourist spots of Shillong. The summer season is a great time as one can beat the heat wave running throughout the country and enjoy a few days in the heart of nature. Next in the list is Nohokalikai Falls, Cherrapunji. Just 5 km away from the main town, the Nohokalikai Falls in Cherrapunji is one of the major attractions for the visitors and another amazing treasure in the Meghalaya state. The waterfall is tucked within the evergreen forest of the Khasi Hills and it is one of the highest waterfalls in India. It will certainly be an experience of your lifetime, making sure to add this wonderful waterfall into your Meghalaya trip itinerary. Best time to visit, June to November. Nosni Tayang Waterfalls, Meghalaya. One of the largest waterfalls, also known as Mausami Falls, as it nestled in the Mausami village in the East Khasi Hills region. These stunningly beautiful waterfalls are divided neatly into 7 parts, and this one surely makes it to the must-visit places in Cherrapunji. Best time to visit, June to September. Wontang Falls, Mizoram. Located at a distance of about 137 km from Aizawl, capital of Mizoram, Wontang Falls is the highest, most spectacular waterfall in Mizoram. It is located in the Wanwa River near Thenswal and is named after Wontonga, who was said to be an excellent swimmer. Best month for travel is September to October when water is in full flow. Kempty Falls, Mussoorie. Perched in the midst of the mountain ranges of Mussoorie, one of the most prominent waterfalls in Uttarakhand, this can be also regarded as the nearest waterfall from Delhi if you are looking for the most beautiful ones. Best time to visit, March to June. Bhimlath Falls, Rajasthan. A delight amid desert land of Rajasthan, one of the beautiful and picturesque waterfall one should witness. A breathtaking sight especially during the monsoon season. Best time to visit, July to September. Dhuandhar Falls, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Dhuandhar Falls is one of the most important points of interest in Jabalpur and it should certainly be on our Madhya Pradesh itinerary. The best time to visit Dhuandhar Falls is during Sharad Purnima when Narmada Mahotsav gets celebrated. Best time to visit is July to October. Chitrakoot Falls. Asia's widest and India's largest waterfall, Chitrakoot Falls is also known as the Niagara Falls of India. Located in the Indian state of Chhattisgarh, the waterfall originates from the Indravati river in the Bastar district. Thousands of people come here during the rainy season to witness its astounding girth spanning up to 300 meters and just the sheer beauty of the wilderness surrounding it. Best time to visit is July to September. Jona Waterfall, Ranchi. About 45 km away from Ranchi and possibly the most majestic falls in the state, situated on the Ranchi-Purulia highway is the Jona Falls, named after the local village. Winter is perfect time to visit here. Best time to visit, December and January. So these were few amazing waterfalls in India that you should add in your travel list without a second thought if you want to explore the beauty of India. We will also cover some more amazing waterfalls in our next video. Also do like, comment and let us know on which topic you want the next video.